What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay here, and in this video I'm going to share with you a simple strategy that you can use to earn $100 per day with TikTok. Now, this requires no prior experience, even if you don't even have a TikTok yourself, that's completely fine. You can start this from scratch and you can still earn with this strategy that I'm going to share with you. So anything that I mentioned in this video, any websites or tools or additional videos that's going to help you to have success with this strategy, I'm going to include in the show notes, where you can find a link in the description box below this video. So make sure you watch the video all the way in its entirety so that way you can understand the strategy, and then click on that link so you can learn more if you want to move forward. Also, make sure you continue to watch the video because I'm going to include a few advanced tips that you can use that can actually help you to earn more than $100 per day using TikTok. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So now we're looking at TikTok, and what you want to do is you want to create a niche TikTok account in order for this to work. And this is very common in a lot of these spaces. So whenever there's a new social media that just gets started, or social media that gets a lot of visitors and traffic, what people tend to do is they go over to those accounts, they create niche pages or niche accounts, and what they do is they create large audiences on those accounts, and then they have the opportunity to promote on those accounts to actually earn money. This is very popular with Instagram. Think about how many health and fitness pages you have seen, pages that are geared towards motivation, business, or self-employment or something like that. And then the same thing happened before all of these, and when it was just only Facebook, and people were creating Facebook pages that were geared towards comedy, or again, health and fitness, make money online, or whatever the case may be. So when you create an account on TikTok, you want to find a profitable niche. So to give you some examples are to make money online, the health and fitness niche, love and relationships, also any kind of pets like dogs, cats, or something like that. You can also go into the new age niche, which includes spirituality. It also includes manifestation, astrology, numerology, and things like that. Those are really popular topics. And you can actually find products when you go online. You can find products that you can actually promote that don't belong to you, and you can become an affiliate for these products, and you can leverage your TikTok account in order to get traffic to those affiliate links, so that way you can earn money. So once you have chosen a niche, like make money online, maybe cooking or something like that, you want to come over here to this website that's called clickbank.com. And on ClickBank, it's free to join, but they have a huge marketplace where you can actually find products that you can promote. And then if you find a product that you can promote and you use your TikTok account in order to do this, you can earn anywhere from like 20% in commissions upwards to 50% commissions, in some cases even more than that. And you can definitely find those type of products on ClickBank. So if you were to, again, create your account on ClickBank, and then you want to come over here to this tab at the top where it's called Marketplace. And the reason why we want to come over here to Marketplace is because we want to find some products that we can promote using our TikTok accounts. Now, while you're on Marketplace, if you look on the side of the screen, you can see different categories here. So you can see they have things for cooking, food, and wine, computers and internet, also e-business and e-marketing. So if you're looking to do the make money online niche, you can definitely come over here. You can also come over here to where they have spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. So again, this is where you're going to find numerology, manifestation, law of attraction, those type of products. So you can come over here and you can choose about maybe 1 to 3 products that you want to promote in order to use on TikTok in order to start to earn money. So to show you an example of people who are actually doing this on TikTok, if we come over here and let's say we put in keto, like keto recipes or something like that. And keto is a really popular topic because a lot of people have been talking about the keto diet for years. Tons of people had, transformations using keto and everything else. So we come over here, we can see that there are people who have TikTok accounts geared towards keto recipes or keto cooking. And if we were to choose one of these, we can see here they have videos showing different keto recipes and things like that. And also you can see here in their bio, they have a link that goes to where you can get more information about keto recipes or something like that. So let's go ahead and let's click on this link. So by us clicking on that link, it brings us here to a bio link page. And a bio link page is simply where you can include multiple links on this page, because TikTok, just like Instagram, only allows you one link to include in your bio. And if you have multiple things that you want to promote, you definitely want to use like a bio link or something like that, where you can include multiple links. And again, if you have gone over to ClickBank and you found like maybe 1 or 3 products to promote, you can include all 3 of those products here. So that also increases the chances of you making more money by having multiple products to offer. So as you can see here, they have here, we can get a 28-day keto challenge. So this could be a ClickBank product, or it could be a product they have created themselves. And then also they have a custom keto diet. Again, this could also be an affiliate offer or something that they're promoting themselves, and they're actually generating money by, you know, getting people to watch their videos on TikTok, and they're sending them to their link where they can get more information about this. So that's one way that they are monetizing their actual page, and they're actually making money simply by using TikTok videos. Now, you may be wondering to yourself, well, Lindsay, I don't want to create any videos where I'm showing my face or talking about a topic that I'm probably not that interested in. And that's completely fine. You can create videos by simply leveraging free, royalty-free videos in order to create your videos on TikTok, and you do not have to show your face in order to do this. So let me go ahead and share with you a website where you can actually do this, where you can actually find videos, and then how you can actually make those videos into TikTok format, so that way all you have to do is just upload those videos to TikTok. So right now we're at pixabay.com, and again guys, any website that I mentioned in this video I'm going to include in the show notes in the description box below this video, so that way when you have more free time you can come back through and go through everything that I have mentioned. So you can come to websites like pixabay.com. There's also a website called Unsplash. You can go to pexels.com. You can go to any of these websites. They offer royalty-free videos and photos that you can use in order to promote using, you know, your social media or whatever else. All you have to do is, like, when you come over here to Pixabay, you just go to the videos tab, and then you can just include whatever keyword that you want to use. So I put in food, and as you can see here, there's tons of videos that actually come up showing you videos that you can use for food. So you can go through these videos, kind of find foods that are popular in the keto niche, and you can actually upload these videos to your TikTok in order to create content. Now, again, depending on whatever niche that you're in, you can just go ahead and just use any of these videos. You can also record your screen on your phone or something like that, and you can, again, upload those videos to your TikTok, and you do not have to show your face. Now, if you were to use any of these videos off of, you know, Pixabay or Pexels or something like that, you'll just download the video to your computer, and you can come over here to a website called veed.io. Now, once you have done that and you come over here to this website, if you click on create, you can come over here to the TikTok tab, and you can see here it'll give you a TikTok video editor. So on here, you can actually condense that video into 15 seconds. So that way you can upload that video to TikTok. And then also you have the option to add text, and you can add music and everything else to your TikTok videos simply by using this website. Now, once you have created your videos using veed.io, what you want to make sure that you're doing, that you're uploading every single day onto TikTok. Now, this is going to put you in the habit of actually uploading consistently on TikTok, and then also by you uploading daily, you're going to be able to reach a larger audience. Now, an advanced strategy here is that you start to upload videos at least 3 times per day, especially if you have a new account. Again, this is going to help you to get more people to see your content, and then also get more people to actually go to your bio, click on the link, and actually see what you're offering to sell. Now, in the show notes in the description box below this video, I'm going to include a video tutorial where I share with you how I found a video, created a video on veed.io, and how you can leverage that video and upload it to TikTok in order to make money with a ClickBank product. I show you how to do that step by step from A to Z, so make sure you go to the show notes if you want to watch that full tutorial, if you want to go ahead and get started with this strategy. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I want to share with you some tips that you can use in order to actually make more money with this strategy. So you will actually do everything that I mentioned in this video, but to take it a step further, what you can do is when you find these products on clickbank.com or something like that, what you can do is, or even go to YouTube University or YouTube pretty much, and find videos that actually teach a strategy. You can actually buy one of these products, learn a strategy, and actually get results yourself. And by you actually purchasing a product, or again, watching a video on a full-length tutorial video on YouTube or something like that, watching the video, actually implementing what's being shared in the video and you actually get a result, you can actually create a small digital product where you're probably not charging that much, maybe like $17 or maybe $27 or something like that. And you can actually sell your own course on TikTok with the actual audience and traffic that you're generating from your videos, and you have the potential to earn more money. Now, the way that I shared with you earlier in this video about finding products on ClickBank to actually sell, again, you're actually selling somebody else's products, so you're only going to get half of the commission. You're not going to get the full 100% commission by promoting that product. Now, if you create the product yourself, you have the opportunity to earn more money. But again, you want to follow the learn, do, teach method. You want to actually learn something, learn a skill, get results, right? Get your own results, and then you want to teach what you learn and share the results that you got with other people. And then when you're teaching other people how to do this, you don't want to lie. You don't want to say that they can make multi-millions of dollars with this strategy. Just be honest with people. Say, people, I learned this skill. I was able to earn, my first $1,000 online with this, and I'm going to share with you in this small, ebook or this small video course on how you can actually do the same. And again, you can create your own product, sell it on TikTok, and you can actually make more money doing that strategy. So in this video, I'll share with you really quickly how you can make $100 per day using TikTok. Now, if you want the full tutorial where I share step by step how to do this, make sure you go to the show notes that can be found in the description box below this video. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.